thanks very much for joining us here live at MIPIM. It would be good to get a sense, I suppose, of where you see the market at the moment, and also the changes you've seen, I guess, over the last kind of 18 months to 2 years, whilst we've been in COVID, of course.
The biggest change, of course, is ESG. ESG is something what everybody is looking for. Maybe not everybody knows what to do with ESG, but for example, we bought 4 supermarkets. 3 of them we developed completely to ESG confirmation, and one of them we just tear down, and we were building there only residential units, around about 350 units in the next 4 years, and they will be without any cars. Will be a quarter in the south of Duisburg or north of Düsseldorf, so in the center of Germany. With a reasonable pricing. It's not high, it's not luxury. We just put it for normal people, close to a lake, close to public transport and all these things. So I think we're on the right track with this.
And in terms of the ESG side, obviously a lot of focus on ESG here at MIPIM, as well as social impact. In terms of the funds that you've been setting up, what's the focus of those funds?
Well, the focus of those funds is, of course, to create the buildings, old buildings, which we refurbish to an Article 8 fund. This is the most important thing, because no investor will invest nowadays in something which is not ESG conform. So you need ESG confirmation, and this is a big impact, I think, on all the other fund managers who have in place old buildings from the 70s, 80s. This will be no longer very good. You can't lease them out actually in the future, I think, because tenants are looking on this as well. They will have some impact on the investing. They have devaluation maybe on everything. So we think this could be a challenge for us as a new fund management company as well, to take over these things and these assets and to refurbish them, to bring them back in Article 8 fund.
In terms of the capital in the fund, are you seeing more international capital, I suppose, looking at these kinds of opportunities where there's transformation?
Last year we invested with domestic capital, with our own capital and capital of the big foundation and family offices. This year we talked at the meeting with many big investors. They are really keen to invest in Germany, some of them in Europe as well, and they all look for ESG confirmation investments, and I think we will tell you in 1 year how many investors came to us and how many investors will be able to invest with us in the ESG.
It would be interesting just to also pick up on, I suppose, your strategy going forward. Are you looking to invest mainly in Germany, or are you looking to invest across Europe? Well, I suppose where are you aiming in terms of your strategy?
Well, we bought 4 years ago a tower in Rotterdam, a Mast Tower in Rotterdam. So we started already 4 years ago to expand in Europe. We will do this. We have a new manager in place since this week, since MIPIM. So he started at MIPIM, actually, a big place to start. And with him we will deal with international investors, and we will deal with him with international possibilities, opportunities. So we start, of course, Benelux, in the Benelux states. There we start because we are already there. We have a good asset management team in Rotterdam and Amsterdam. But we are looking to Austria, we're looking to Switzerland, and we're looking to France.
Great, really interesting to catch up and look forward to seeing how that strategy develops over the next 12 months. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you very much.